Hey folks, Ian Wallace Harper here, Chatbot Ninja, and it's time for a BizStackPro Basics. And today I'm going to talk about pipelines and opportunities. What are pipelines? Pipelines are, you could say, funnels, your funnels. A pipeline has, say, an opt-in, your front end, your OTO, OTO1, OTO2, and a refund maybe, or it could be a customer journey. So they opt into your thing. They can make an appointment. They can respond to a message, or they can make an appointment when they come to the next stage, which will be appointment booked, appointment shown. They come to the appointment, or they don't show. So that would be a stage. So there are different stages in your funnel. What are opportunities? Opportunities are, let's say, a snapshot of that client with all the information. So the person then opts in to your opt-in page and gives you your email, phone number maybe, and the name, and it goes he or she goes into your pipeline, into your funnel. And so that's a snapshot of that information that's actually kept in an opportunity. So let's jump into, sorry, my dog is trying to tell me something. Yes, I know. Okay, let's try and jump in and go to BizStackPro, and we go into opportunities. So to go into opportunities, you'll probably be here. No, go into opportunities, which is here. Opportunities and pipelines. So let's have a look at a basic pipeline first. A basic pipeline. Now let's go to a product pipeline. So this is your funnel. Your opt-in. They purchase your main product, which is the front end. They purchase a bump sale or the OTO, and then or refunded. So that's a basic funnel. So you could say that's the first part, second, third, fourth, going down the sale. So when they hit here, they've bought and become customers. At the moment, they're just a lead in the opt-in. So let's go to maybe this one here. And this one is a bit more of a complex. So we got new lead opt-in, responded to a message, booked an appointment, no-show. So they didn't come to the actual appointment. First session showed, so they booked the appointment. They come to this first session, or they've not signed up for the coaching program, and then they sign up for the coaching program, or they are unresponsive and unsubscribed. So you can see that this funnel is a bit more complex. So the pipeline is a little bit complex. Now these are individual snapshots of the customer. So let's say Barbie Clean. Let's go and have a look at Barbie Clean. By clicking on Barbie Clean, we can say, right, okay, what's her information? Barbie Clean gave us a name, her email. She gave us a telephone number. No additional contacts. What is the opportunity itself? We call it Barbie Clean, and that gets the opportunity name from from what we set up. New leads. She's in the pipeline. New leads. We could say we could move it into a different pipeline if we wanted to. She's an opt-in. She's opted in. Now it's open. The status is open. If we look at the status, we can have either lost or won or abandoned. So if the customer decides not to go forward and says she wants to be left alone and she's not going to bother with it anymore, you could say that's a lost. She's a lost cause. If she moves forward, you can put the status as won, and she's moving forward with the sale or with the next part of the journey. Now, if she goes and not answers any of your calls, your emails, your messages, or whatever, you may decide to abandon that customer or lead, and you can put them in the abandoned. The owner at the moment is unassigned. You can assign to whoever is here. I'm the only one at the moment, which is because I am the only user on the actual thing. If you've got a sales team and you added more users, then you could add it to one of their accounts, sort of thing. Opportunity value. Now, this is if you've got a coaching package that costs maybe 2,000, you could put 2,000 in here. That's how much that customer is worth, or that client is worth at the time, or the opportunity is worth. If you've got a product that's $27, you put $27 as the amount that's it's worth in here. The opportunity source could be Instagram, it could be Facebook, it could be email marketing, or whatever you want to put in there. That is where it could be a one-on-one call that you made. Here you could put in a new task. You can book an appointment. You could add a note. So all these is easy enough to do directly from here. We're going to cancel it because we're not going to move forward on with that. So Barbie Clean, she is ready to, she's actually asked you to make a call. So she's responded to a message. We'll move her into the next one, which is here. And you're going to have to schedule a task, add a task, make the call. She's asked for a callback, task, callback. Oh, should be call back. Yeah. customer, the client to discuss. Assign it to me, and we can put in a date. Say, let's call it next Monday on the 5th. Confirm. Yeah. And then add the task. Now we've got a task in there, and it will be in the showing up in the opportunities. If you want to add a note, you can add a note. Add new notes. Let's go. This is very good client. Please handle care. So you could say that. So I'll add the note, and that's then done. Okay, you could then say, fine, let's go for that. We'll leave it at that. Yeah. And Barbie Clean has got a note and a task, which will show up on at the right time. You can add a tag. Maybe add a tag. Let's go and add a tag. Let's where are we? Add a tag. Let's have a look where the tags are. Here we go, tags. And we can say, okay, appointment. So complained. Yeah. So we add a complaint tag in there, and then we'll say update. So now we've got a tag, and that will show up as a tag here. Complained testing sequence. So she's got two tags in there already. And if we go to conversations, we will see all the information in the contacts. And what else have we got? Add appointment. You could directly add an appointment from here on a calendar. It will look for the calendar. If you've got book a call with me, boom, and then whatever day, time, and then the meeting. So you're on the call with her. You can actually meet, do the booking from here. So if you say booked a call, then you could actually say, okay, Barbie Clean has booked an appointment. So we move it on to here, and she's down at the bottom then. So that's how you move people along the actual pipeline as an opportunity. Now, all this can be automated, but I think what I'm going to do at the moment is I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to stop sharing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it there. It's for the basic pipeline tutorial, and we'll go on to part 2, where I will be automating each of the level, the movements from one to the other. Okay, so I will say thank you very much for that. and I will see you in the next video.